and welcome to your first lesson of German. We today have another student with us. Bosco, are you there?
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. Okay, so today we are going to talk about greetings. You already heard one, Guten Tag, which means good day. But let's start with the morning. Okay, so how to say good morning? Good morning is Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Good evening, Guten Abend. Guten Abend. And then we go to bed and we say Gute Nacht, good night, Gute Nacht. Don't worry about the missing N, all normal, and you will understand that a bit later in the course. So, what else have we got? I also greeted you with Hallo in the beginning. Hallo is very normal, casual, informal, and you would just say it to anyone you meet, to your friends, and yeah, just anyone. So it's very common. And nowadays we also use hi or hey a lot. So you will hear that as well in Germany, especially used by younger people. Okay, now to say goodbye, you would, amongst friends, you would say tschüss. But we actually pronounce it a bit longer. We tend to say tschüss. I don't know why that is. It might sound a bit weird, but yeah, that's just what we do. Then, of course, we can be a bit more formal and we can say auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. But amongst friends, it's not really used. Or, of course, you can be more precise, like see you tomorrow, see you later. See you tomorrow, for example, would be bis morgen, literally until tomorrow, bis morgen, or very commonly used bis später, until later, so meaning see you later. Okay, those are the main greetings, so you have some basics already. And I would like to cover a second very important thing in this first lesson, and that is how to say yes and no. You will probably have heard ja for yes and nein for no. Ja, nein. In Germany, you might hear many variations of that, very commonly used, like instead of saying yes, you might hear yo or yep. It always depends a bit on the circumstances and on the mood of that person. And for nein, you might as well hear nee or nö. But you can already tell from my tone that it might not always be appropriate. So, especially in a formal situation, just stick with ja and nein and you'll be on the safe side.
But many German, they would say nee or...
Yes.
It's quite common.
It's very common, yeah. And when you're talking to a family member, to a friend, you might just say nee. It's not impolite, it's normal, but not formal. That's the important thing.
Okay, so it's okay to say this friend.
It's absolutely okay, yes. Okay, then we have a very special third word accompanying ja and nein. It is the word doch. Doch is unique to the German language. The concept of doch doesn't exist in English, so it might be a bit difficult to grasp, but I will do my best to explain it. Doch is a form of saying yes, but not in an affirmative way, but rather as an objection to something. Like when you have been asked a negative question, for example, aren't you hungry? But you are hungry. You can't simply say yes, ja, you have to say doch, because you are objecting to what just has been said to you or what you have just been asked. Also, when arguing with someone and you think something is yes and the other person thinks no, then it would go like this. Yes, ja, no, nein, yes, doch. So the second time you want to say ja, you can't say ja, you have to say doch. So the dialogue would go ja, nein, doch, nein, doch, nein, and so on.
So, for example, if I say, oh, I can't speak English, but you think that I actually can speak English. You would
Yes,
say,
if you
like,
from
I
you-
can't
yeah.
say I can't speak English. You say, oh, Doch.
Exactly. So
Doch.
that is a negative statement of yours, which I don't agree with. So in order to object you, I say Doch, because I think you can. So yeah, Doch.
Okay. So, oh, I can't speak English. And you say,
Yeah,
Doch.
Doch.
That, which means you think that I actually can say speak
Exactly.
English.
Yes. And I can't say ja. It honestly wouldn't make sense to us Germans if we said ja in that situation. We would then think, yeah, what? Huh? What are you talking about? So no, we really have to say Doch in such a situation.
Is a response to my negative
Exactly.
statement.
Can be a negative statement, a negative question, but as soon as you object, you have to say Doch.
Just Doch, and that means
Yes.
you don't agree with my statement.
Exactly. Okay, so we have that covered too. And this is it for lesson 1. And in the next lesson, I'm going to talk about the alphabet. And it's going to be a very, very important lesson because we have so many rules for the German alphabet. But I promise you, once you know them, you will be able to read out every word, no matter if you know it, no matter if you don't know it, or if it's long or short, whatever. So the next lesson will be very interesting and important. And yeah, I look forward to having you here again. Tschüss!